Spark series channel and back to COREJAVA series. Today's session we are going to continue the control statements. The previous session I told about the part of the control sections where we discussed about the selection statements, and we today will continue the repetition and branch statements. So yesterday class we told about if else and how to use switch statement with practical demonstration. Today also we are going to see the statements with the practical demonstration. Let's go session. Today's session it will help you to learn about these repetition statements, where you can go and see the while, do while and for loops. These are the concepts similar to C language, where syntax are similar to C language only. So we'll go here. What is this of while loop statement? Because this is always considered a looping or repeating statement, where it executes a block of code or statements till the given condition is true. If the expression must be evaluated to a boolean value, keep in mind that. Then it continues testing the condition and executes the block of code. When the expression results to false, control comes out of the loop. So what you understand, if you try to execute a block of code or statements, if the condition is true, else it will come out or skip the loop here. Let's go for syntax and example. You can clearly get the idea here. So where you're going to see the example, print values 1 to 10, and first syntax. What is syntax of while loop? Just while expression, then open brace, statement, then semicolon, and continues to either single statement or a block of statements, then close braces. So this is the syntax of while loop, where you can give the example here, where part of the code I am giving here, int I is equal to 1 and while I less than equal to 10, and system out dot print value plus I plus plus. So what will happen? These are the post increment operator. By default the I value is 1, and it will go and check while whether the I value is less than 10 or not. If it is less than 10, it will go and execute and increment the value by 1, so it print 2. So like that it keep on going, I less than 10, so till reach I equal to 10. So it keep on going and execute the values, print the value 1 to 10, 1. So again incremental 1, 2, again incremental 1, 3, and so on. It print finally 10. Let's go for execution here. So here I have part of the code here. So Java is one of the program language and very easy. So I have online Java compiler, similar to tester like that. Let's go execute here. So there is no space record here. So just I go to print. If no error, we will get the answer. We may get just remove this close braces. So now I will try to debug and execute the program. So it print the values from 1 to 10, because we will give the while condition I less than equal to 10 here. Compiling program, loading and compiling. So simple and easy. You can use it. When you want to give any condition, you can give the while loop first test the condition. If at all condition is true, then only is good this statement. Otherwise it won't go into it. So let's go for next one before running this one. Okay, so this is a small example while. Then we should do while. So what is do while? So one of the statement where is another loop statement that tests the given condition. First the do block statements are executed, then the condition given while statement is checked. So keep in mind that. Then so in this case, even the condition false in the first attempt, do block of code is executed at least once. So here what will happen? Do block statement. So first you will execute the statement, then it go and check the condition whether condition true or false is not none of them. If at all condition false, also you try to execute. In conditions true also you try to execute. So let's go for syntax here. So syntax is do, similar to C language, open brace, statement, and so on statement. You can give a single statement or anything, and while expression, there you can give the condition. For example, I am giving I is equal to 10, it go and print, then it go and check the condition. So part of the code you have, if you want to print the values 1 to 10, same we are going to give int I is equal to 1, then I am going to do open brace, system dot out dot println of value plus I plus plus, then while I less than equal to 10. So what is the by default, it will take the value and print I is equal to 1, then it will increment, start increment 2, 3, 4 and so on. At last it will execute the values from I value from 1 to 10. So like that we can give the condition. Let's go status here. There are coming, there will be a connection problem, net connection problem, checking again here. Now we try to execute here. Sorry for delay. Yes. Just now I try to execute the code again. So we have to check the while loop now, then go for do while. So simple and easy. Copy. Paste. Just to run the program. I think on brace extra will close it. After that execute. Yeah. Just go into run the program. Now we can maximize screen for output, better visibility. Yeah, successfully executed. The above program successfully. So we will get the value 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, because we are applying the I plus post increment operator. So like that you can execute. Now go for now do while demo. So whatever, if you want to print some numbers, function, where you want based on your task, you can use the do while here. Let's go execution here. Just delete. Okay, so do while. So first execute, it will take and print I is equal to 1, then start increment the value. So we will get the same result. Let's close this public. Error here. Let's check the open brackets. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I have to add one close bracket, close flower here. Now try to execute. Yeah, successfully execute. To visibility I am increase mode here. So output again it printing the value 1 to 10 successfully. Like that we can compile and execute the Java programs. Now go for loop. So one where very important. Go for anything in future also. For loop statements. What are the for loop statements? This is a statement. This is also one of the statements that provides a compact way to iterate over a range of values, and also it execute the statements within this block repeatedly. How many times you want? 100 times, 20 times, whatever you want, till specified condition is true. Whatever the condition you want, the user want to give, they can give and check it till satisfy the condition. It go and execute. That is the plus point of for loop statements in the Java. Let's go for syntax. So simple and easy, similar to C language. Initialization, then condition, then increment or decrement operator. Then open brace statement, maybe single statement or whatever there. And initialization, what are the use? The loop is started with the value specified here. And condition, it evaluates to either true or false. If it is false, then the loop is terminated. Whenever the condition becomes false, it is stopped to execute. Then increment or decrement. After each iteration, the value increments or decrements based on our condition. Let's go for execution and see the small example where we just now see. For example, I am going to print the, I have a number 1 call, number starting value of 1. I want to print the number and compare up to the 10. So I am going to give int num is equal to 1, then num less than equal to 10, num plus 1, or else you can give separately int num, then you can assign the value, or you can say I, x, y, z, whatever you want. So and then system dot out dot println of num plus num. So what will happen here? First will print num, then check the condition num less than equal to 10. So number value less than 10, so it will go on increment, post increment operator, so it will become 2. Again it will come number value less than equal to 2 is less than equal to 3, again it will increment, so it go for 3, and similarly it go on print finally at last, and so on print 1 to 10 here. Once the number value comes 0 10, it will stop the execution. So let's for demo here. So simple and easy. So if you want to practice well, you know how to, what is the input output statements you can give in the runtime. You can give some value also and check it later. So just I'm going to check here. I don't want these lines here. Sorry, just remove these lines. Just giving for int, directly I'm giving for int numbers equal to 1, or else you can give separate data type and try to execute. See any error coming around? Yes, successfully executed. So same what you get in the while loop, you are getting same answer, but you are using the for loop num1 to num10 like that. So like that you can simply execute the Java programs. Next we go for the branching statements. From here no need of execution, because these are very simple, just understanding. Sometimes we are using the Java program. What is branch statement? We have called one called break statement. It is used for breaking the execution of a loop, where it also work and come with while, do while and for. It also terminates the switch statement also. So you know, all of you in the switch statement, you can see in between break, syntax is break or break label. Here breaks the innermost loop or switch statement. Break label also can use. For example, where you can use break means, for example, assume that I have a Java program where I want to print the I values 5 to 10. So when I give statement, it will print 5 to 10. In between I want to break. What can I do means, I can give if I is equal to 8 and I am giving break. What will happen is stop execution. So it will stop execution and come out with the program. So finally it will print 5, 6, 7. So because in the 8 we are giving, whenever the I value comes 8, it will break the element. So upcoming session we are going to use now. There you can use all statements and you will get better and clarity here. So break statement is the one branch statement that contains the two forms called labeled and unlabeled. Mainly you are using unlabeled format, that is a break, just a break. Then continue statement. This is also one of the branching statement that are used in the looping statements, where you can use while, do while and for to skip the current iteration of the loop and resume the next iteration. So what will happen? Suppose syntax is continue. For example, the program, I have a 20 lines program, give continue like that. After 10th line it will go and continue. So we can use whenever you want. This is optional one. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more updates and share with your friends. Thank you.